It's 6:45 now, November 25. Is it 25? It's 6:45 in the morning, November 25, Monday. We're on our way to the school again with these two kids. They're wearing their uniform in white socks and excited to go to the school again. And me, I'm here at the back carrying all this stuff. The back, this one, and another bag. Ashley! Oh, ito yung bag mo. Oh, sige na, go. There goes the kids. Move forward, wait ko, I'm smoking here. Go buy your face mask there na, kuya titagla. Buying siomay. Oh. Pakilagyan na lang ng sauce. There, I see. Come on, get. Pay it na. Asan yung bayad, dali ah. I see, give to tita. Okay, go. Give me the chains. Thank you po. Shh. "6:47 now, November 26, and the two are wearing. What are you wearing, Isley? Cargo pants. Okay, go. Let's go. Here comes the two. It's 6:40 in the morning now. Wednesday, December 4. Bumili sila ng biscuit and... Where's your face mask? Come on, put on your face mask.
Papa, sino nagsasalamin?
Go na, you go, you got them walking. Wait. Come on, stand aside. On our way to buy pizza pie, natalo ko sa pustahan. Talia, dito ka nga sa kaliwa. Stay here kasi para kung may mga kotse, tulak mo lang ng adding mo dyan sa side.
Ay, wow, ang galing ha! Wow, so very smart. Yes, ang galing natin.
Oh, halimbawa may car, itapon mo lang siya dyan, no? Itapon mo dyan sa side, oh, para ano, hindi siya masagasan.
Wala akong sabi, ang galing.
Ano, Ashley? Get up there, get up there. Go. Go up, get up. Go.
Ay, ayun. Supreme ba yun?
Good.
Ay, mga classic.
Stay there, huh? You're waiting for the pizza, huh? Marudati? Okay, thank you. Oh, go down. Go.
40 that one.
Stand aside, ha? Stand aside. Oh, come on, let's cross. Let's cross here. No. Kasi malamig na yung pizza mamaya pag... Hmm?
Today, hi guys! So today we're eating pizza kasi natalo si Papa kasi sabi niya matulog kami sa ayaw namin. Tapos nung sinabi niya may pizza, natulog na kami.
So, natalo ako.
Yes, sarap.
And what are you drinking there?
Milk tea, cream, and or
Oh, nakati agad, ubos agad. Grabe. Okay, enjoy kids, ha? Bukas, wag na kayo matulog, ha? wala na pizza bukas, okay? Wag na kayo matulog, okay?
somay na lang.
Siomay, sige.